How to add a music widget on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. Over here, long press on any empty area of the home screen until the icons start to wiggle and a minus sign appears on each app icon. Go to the top left corner and tap on Edit. Then, tap on Add Widget. Here, go to the search bar to search for music and select it. Swipe to view and choose the music layout that you want and then tap on Add Widget. After that, tap on Done above. You have now successfully added the music widget to the home screen. You can now view and open the music widget from here. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily add a music widget on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.